Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you where the EOBD, EOBD II or just OBD on a 2015 Lexus NX 300H, which I believe will probably apply to pretty much every Toyota ever made. So open your driver's door, whichever side that may be on, and it's down here under the dash. There you are. There is your onboard diagnostic socket for a 2015 Lexus NX 300H. So really hope you enjoyed watching that video and you found it useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.